All right, here's how you add a person to an ongoing call on Android. First, we're going to connect the call. I'm going to call Eva, and once that connects, we can add someone else to it. So once you have one phone call going and you want to add someone else to that call, what you're going to do is tap Add Call, and then either dial a number or pick someone from your contacts. I want to add Ryan, so I'll call Ryan, and once he answers, we're going to see two calls, but they're going to be separate calls at first. I can tap each person to jump between those two calls, or if I want to merge them together, I'll just tap the little Merge button. That'll bring everyone on the same call, and the call now shows up as a conference call on my phone. From the drop-down menu, I can drop one of these people if I want to. So let's say I finish my conversation with Ryan, but I want to keep talking to Eva. I can just drop Ryan. Or if you want to finish the call completely, you can just tap the red button to end it. If you're using a stock Android phone, like Google Pixel or something similar, it's a similar process. You'll have a call going, and to add another call, I'll tap More, then Add Call, and add Ryan to this call. My first call goes on hold, and once I have both calls connected, I'll tap More and Merge to combine the calls together. Same process, just the buttons and the phone app layout looking slightly different depending on what type of phone you're using. Here, I can see two participants on my call and manage them through this menu. I could drop one of them if I want to, or if I want to end the call, I can hit the red button. Anyways, that's how you add a participant to an ongoing call on Android. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all.